besties, welcome back to another episode of Lidhu's Nail Art Designs. Today we will be creating a floral French nail with rose nail art design. No stress, no fancy tool, just vibes. So grab your favorite nail polish, get comfort and let's make your nail art cute. Let's start with the base coat to protect our nails and going with the nude peach shade. To apply base coat in a smooth manner. If you have watched till here and also if you are new to my channel, hi, I am Lidhu and I love to share creative beginner friendly nail art design. We are going to discuss about two types of rose nail art and this is the first one. We have to start by applying few dots in a round shape. If you guys have any doubts, don't forget to ask in the comments. Immediately we have to apply white dots on top of this and make a round shape using a toothpick. Don't have any tools, you guys can easily create this look. Now let's move on to the second type of rose nail art design. This may look a little hard but it's easy if we practice. First of all we have to decide a center for our rose and then draw tiny stalks from that point and try to increase it outward. Follow the exact same steps as shown in the video. Always make sure that you have cleaned your tools properly, otherwise our design will not look good. Comment below if you want a video about how to make a brush at home. If this is your first attempt, don't look for perfection. Please don't feel discouraged. Nail art takes practice and every attempt makes you better. Comment below which nail art should I try in the live so that you guys can learn more about nail art. If you guys want, you can continue more, but I am adding a leaf to this flower. Hope you all like this look. This nail art is perfect for short nails and also for beginners. I will be doing my live on this coming Sunday. Hope you guys will watch that at 4:30 p.m. Next we will be learning two methods of French nail. And here is the first. If you guys have watched my live or my videos, I have discussed this step. It's super easy and beginner friendly. First of all, we have to make a border and then fill in the color. A nude color and Rani pink combination is really great. How you guys feel? Say in the comments. So now we are going on to the second step that is super easy and super simple. We have to apply nail polish on the tip in a diagonal manner for getting this French nail. So I have finalized this set for my nails. I will be drawing the entire rose on my middle finger. If you guys have not understood the earlier methods, please try to watch this and try to understand. These nails are actually so cute and we did this at home, beginner level, but made it aesthetic. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and tell me, would you try this nail? If you love simple nail art and French nail, don't forget to follow Lidhu's Nail Art Designs. Tata, bye bye.